My name is Kathleen DiGiovanni. I'm an attorney at Levinson Axelrod. I specialize in plaintiff's personal injury litigation, that is, representing people who have been injured due to the negligence of someone else. I'm from a small town in upstate New York, and I went to law school in Boston, ended up as an assistant district attorney in Staten Island, where I was prosecuting violent crime for 12 years. 2 of those years I had the privilege of being assigned as a special assistant United States attorney in the Eastern District of New York, prosecuting gun crimes on a federal level. Actually, it's a perfect background for a personal injury attorney, because what I've done through my entire career is get justice for victims or for their families if unfortunately they were a victim of a homicide. And that segued perfectly into when it was time for me to make a career change. What was I going to do? Plaintiff's personal injury was perfect, because here I am fighting for victims again. When I first meet my client at intake, that's when I begin our relationship, our journey. And I have to explain to them, because they're often bewildered. They don't know what to do. This has never happened to them. And I explain in broad strokes at the beginning what this journey is going to be. And as we go through this together, I can help them at every step of the way, so that when we go to trial, we go in there sort of hand in hand. We trust each other. And that makes for a successful relationship and hopefully a wonderful outcome. I am a certified civil trial attorney. That means that I have the requisite years of experience and also, and more importantly, the trial experience. A very small percentage of personal injury attorneys have that designation. So you know when you come to me or one of the other attorneys at Levinson Axelrod, you're getting somebody who's experienced in representing plaintiffs in civil court. One of the significant advantages of working at Levinson Axelrod is, first and foremost, they're a firm that has been in existence for 80 years. So the wealth of knowledge that is available to me is tremendous. So anytime I have a question, there are tons of other people in the firm who have handled that situation, and we guide each other through our problems with our cases to get the best result. Also, in working in a larger firm, I have the resources available to me to make sure that my client gets a thorough representation. I can hire the experts that are needed. I can make whatever motions that we need to make, and I can take this case all the way to trial.